Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
First, check your laptop ports and graphics capabilities before buying adapters or cables. Look for HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, or Thunderbolt 3 ports and note their labels. Open your operating system display settings to confirm the GPU supports 2 external monitors. If ports are limited, choose a docking station or a USB-C hub with DisplayPort MSD. Also verify maximum resolution and refresh rate like 4K 60Hz per monitor where applicable. Buy quality cables and active adapters when using USB. Power off your laptop before connecting new monitors to avoid connector issues. Connect the primary monitor to the laptop HDMI or USB-C port first. If using USB-C to multiple monitors, confirm the hub supports DisplayPort MSD or Thunderbolt daisy chaining. Power on both monitors, and then power on the laptop to allow proper detection. Open display settings to choose extend mode and arrange monitor positions visually. Apply settings and test with a video playing to confirm smooth output at chosen resolution. If a monitor is black, recheck cable seating and try swapping ports to isolate the issue. Update GPU drivers from the laptop manufacturer or GPU vendor to fix detection bugs. Disable power-saving modes that can turn off an external display during idle. Use the same resolution and refresh rate settings when possible to prevent scaling problems. For laptops with integrated graphics limits, use an external GPU enclosure via Thunderbolt 3. Label your cables and save a photograph of back ports for quick reconnection later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.